Okay, I take the opportunity to welcome my dear learners in today's lesson. In today's lesson, the class I'm going to talk to is P.2, and the subject is mathematics. And the teacher is teacher Didas, and those are my contacts. You can reach me in case you need any help. In today's lesson, we are going to look at press values. In today's lesson, being press values, it is a continuation of where we stopped last time. However, it is lesson number 1 for the month of November. Press values of numbers is our topic today, so I strongly request that we get our books ready. I'm also going to post the activity on our Google Classroom so that you can attempt it. Others, you can put your answers in the chat, as this lesson is streaming live on our YouTube channel, E-Class, Christian Schools Owners Association, E-Classes. Today we are going to have a look at, if we are given press values, like what is the press value of the following digits. So they can give you some numbers and they ask you to give their press values. In such a case, what do you do? That's what we are going to have a look at. In my example 1, I have the digits there. 1, it is 234. 1 is 3, 1 is 2, another one is 3, and another one is 4. So when you are given such a number, I request that you do the following. 1, when I look at that number, it has gotten, there are 3 digits. Therefore, when we are giving their press values, we do begin from this right hand side as we move towards the left hand side. Together, so we do move from the right as we move to the left when we are answering them. The first digit on the right, can be called, or it is called, ones. We always put that simply because we are writing the first letter. We are writing the first letter of the word ones. Then the second digit, it is in the place of 10, and its value, and its place value is tens. We shall also write T to represent the first letter of the word tens. Then the last one is hundreds, and we are going to write there H to represent the first letter of the word hundreds. We can go on and give the press value of each number in this format. The press value of 4, we have said it is ones, and we spell the word ones as O-N-E-S. The word is ones. Okay, then let's go to the second digit in the number. It is 3. What is the press value of 3? We have said the press value of 3, according to the letter which is here, it represents what? Tens. Therefore, the press value of 3 is tens. And we write the word tens as T-E-N-S. Tens. Okay, let's look at the last one. the last digit. The last digit here, we said it is 2 and its place value is hundreds. Therefore, we shall write hundreds as H U N D E R, sorry, H U D R E D S, hundreds. Okay, that is it. So therefore, from the digits that were given to me, that is 2, 3, and 4, we can say the place value of 4 is ones, the place value of 3 is tens, the place value of 2 is hundreds. Okay, okay, let's look at the example 2. Suppose I'm given example 2 and the numbers given are there. Those are the numbers that have been given. Okay, so since they are the numbers that have been given, I will have to go and write them there. I've said the first one, we begin from the first one, which is on the left, as we move towards the we begin the one which is on the right as we move towards the left. So we have begun with the one on the on the right, and they have said its place value is ones. Why we have put there and the letter O? It is because the word ones begin with the letter O. Okay, we have another one. The second one is tens, and we have said we're going to write there our first letter, and the third one there is hundreds, and we are going to put there the letter H to represent hundreds. Let's move on. Now we can go ahead and write them in words. Therefore, the place value of 5 is ones, and write the word ones as O-N-E-S. Ones. O-N-E-S. Ones. Then let's look at the place value of 4. The place value of 4 is there. We have said it is having letter. We have put letter T to represent tens, and we shall write tens as T-E-N-S. The word is tens. Okay. Then the last one is here. We have said the place value of 3 is hundreds, and we wrote there the letter H to represent the first letter in the word hundreds. Therefore, let's write the word hundreds here together, class. Okay, H-U-N-D-R-E-D-S. The word is hundreds. Okay. In the next question, in the next example, it is you to try it out. Okay, I've said as we are learning, I have the quiz which is on Google Classroom. You can try it out, or you can write your answer in the chat there. Okay, okay, you can write your answer in the reactions button. There is a reaction there. There is a chat where you can react and talk to me. I will see your answers and I will be able to read them. Let's go. In example number 3, we have, in example number 3, I have the digits there, not so many. Okay, but I've added 1 now. Last time we had the 3, now we have 4. Let's go. What is the first digit? Okay, what is its place value? Okay, as earlier we said, you can tell me what is the place value of 5, what is the place value of 4, what is the place value of 3, and what is another place value of the last 4. Okay, let's go. We've said when we are giving the place values, we are going to start from the right hand, or from the right side, as we move towards the left. From here we move towards this one. Don't begin from here, we begin from here as we move on. And the first one, we have said it is called ones, and it's called ones, and we're going to put there O to represent the first letter of ones. The second one is there, tens. Okay, to represent the first letter of tens. Okay, who can tell me the second one? Send your answers. I'm seeing them. Some. Okay. Okay. My friend is saying, teacher, that one is hundreds. Good. Put H. Okay, I've put H here. Another one is saying, teacher, the last one is thousands. Oh, we have a new word now. Thousands. Okay, let's go. Let's write the place values of each here. Okay, I've told you we are streaming live on YouTube, so you can subscribe to our channel if you are just watching now and you haven't subscribed. Okay, let's go. The place value of 5, we have said that one is ones, and you write the word ones as O-N-E-S. Okay, you see. Then the next one is tens. Okay, and write the word tens as T-E-N-S, tens. Okay, then we have the third one there. Okay, the third one we have said is hundreds. Okay, who can spell for me the word hundreds? Send your answers. Send your answers. Okay, send your reaction. Okay. This one was a teacher. The word is hundreds and it's written like that. Okay, let's write it together. Okay, it's there. H-U-N-D-R-E-S. Okay, I have now the last word. I have the last word here. Okay, I have the last word. It's there. It is thousands. Okay, thousands. Ands, thousands. Okay, it's there. Thousands. Okay, like that. Okay, I have example. It's supposed to be example 4. Okay, example 4. It's example 4. Let's go on here. Okay, when you look at this one, let me first change this one. It's supposed to be example 4. This is example 4. Okay, let's go on. Okay, now in example 4 we have our number 4072. We have said we begin from the right hand side. We begin from here as we move to this one, and lastly this one. Okay, let's begin with the 1. We have said the first one is ones. I see wherever you are also you are saying, now I know the next one. Yes, send it in reaction. I will be able to see it there. The second one is tens, and we're writing T to represent the first letter of the word tens. Then we have another one. Okay, I see my friend is saying, teacher, from I know the second one. Yes, what's the second one? There was the third one. The third one is here. The word is, the place value is for hundreds. It is hundreds, and we're going to write a letter H. We're going to write a letter H there to represent the word hundreds. Then the last one is thousands. Okay, again our new word is coming. I thought we should learn a new word today, and the new word we are going to learn is thousands. That's why it's there. Okay, let's go and write them in their full. Let's write the words in full. The one which is the first one, 2 is in ones, and we spell the word ones, O-E-A-S, O-N-E-S. Okay, the second one, it's there. It is tens, and we won't write tens as T-E-N-S. It is tens. Okay, let's go. The last one, 0. What is the place value of 0? Okay, the place value of 0 is hundreds. Therefore, we are going to write the hundreds here. Okay, and say hundreds, like that. H-U-N-D-R-E-D-S, hundreds. Okay, then the last one is there. The last one is there, and we have said it is called thousands. The sound ow, thousands. Okay, it's there. The first, the th, the silent. Okay, thousands, like that. Okay, so when you're writing the place values, don't forget to add this s, 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 s. Most of my friends write 1, 10, 100, 1000. No, just put the s there so that you get your answer right. In example 5, they can ask you to find the place value of a given digit. They can give you very many digits. And they only ask for only one. In this case, they want us to look for the place value of 6. Okay, so let's look at the digit which has been given to us. The digit which has been given to us is 650. But in all of these digits, for them, they are much interested to know what is the place value of 6. Okay, even if you give us the value of 0, even if you give us the place value of 5, even if you give the place, for them or for the question, it wants you to give the answer for the place value of 6. Let's go. We have said the first one is ones, and we are writing all to represent the first letter on ones. Okay, then we have another one, 5. It's in the place value of tens. It's the place value, it is tens, but we are writing T to represent that word tens as the first one. The second one, it is hundreds. The last one is hundreds, sorry, the second one, last one is hundreds. Okay, now let's see. It doesn't harm you to give the place values of all the numbers since we have learned them. The one of 0 is ones, and we know how to spell the word ones, or N-E-S. The second one, it is tens, and we know how to spell the word tens. The last one is hundreds. Okay, now we have given the place value of all the numbers. But the question, let's go back to the question. The question is saying, find the place value of 6. They are saying, thank you for giving us all the place values. Thank you very much. But for us, we want to know the place value of 6. Now, what do? You go back to your number. You look for number 6. Go back to your digit. Look for number 6. Oh, look for number 6. Number 6. This is 0. No. This is 5. No. This is 6. Yes, we want number 6. So what is the place value of 6? The place value of 6 is hundreds. Therefore, you can conclude and say the place value of 6 is hundreds. Then they will give you a very big tick, a pregnant one. Okay, like the ones I always give you, my dear ones. Okay, let's look at another example. Can we read together? You read. Yeah, good. Now we have here the find the place value of 8 in the number below. Okay, they can say in the number below, they can say in the digits below, meaning they are going to give us very many digits, but in those digits we must look for the place value of only 8. That's what they want. Let's go. The digits are there. We give them the place values, isn't it? Let's begin with the first one. Okay, the first one is there. You can see we have said the first place value is ones. The second one is tens. The last one is hundreds. Let's go on and write them in full sentence, in full words, since we know them. Okay, the place value of 3 is ones. The place value of 8 is tens. T-E-N-S, tens. Then the last one is hundreds. Okay, they are saying thank you very much for giving the place values of all the digits, but for them their interest is in 8, this 8 here. So we go back to our number and we say, is this 8? No. Oh, 8 is here? No. Where is 8? Here. Here is 8. Oh, hey, 8 is here. So what's the place value of 8? I think the answer is tens. Therefore, you can conclude and say the place value of, so okay, the place value of, sorry, let me change this one here. The place value of, okay, we can go on and just say the place value of 8 is tens. Okay, let's move on. They can say also they can change the question and say find the place value of the underlined digit. They can give you the digit. After giving you the digit, then they will just underline one of the given one. Together, so you have to go on and look for that place value of that digit that has been underlined. I have my number there, 2A3. But the underlying digit is what? We don't know. Let's first give them the place values. The first one is ones. Good. The second one is tens. Good. Then the last one is hundreds. Can you go on and give them the place values? The first one, its place value is ones. The second one, the place value is tens. Then the next one is hundreds. Okay, so if the place value is hundreds, okay, allow me change something here. Okay, allow me to change something here. Okay, let's go on now. In this case, it means we have the underlying digit and we have said it's there. Therefore, we can conclude and say the place value of 3 is ones. Okay, that's how it is, and that's how the lesson is moving on. Okay, class, that's all we had for today. But let me look here. Okay, I know you are good learners and you are going to look for me the place value of that digit. Okay, I know you're going to give me the place value of that digit. Okay, find the place value of the underlined digit. The underlined digit here is 2. So we shall go on and work it out as we have been working it out. Okay, we can go on and work it out as we have been. So the first one we have said is ones, another one is tens, and the last one is hundreds. This one is ones. Good. The second one is tens. Okay, good. And the last one is hundreds. Okay, then we can conclude and say we want the underlying digit, which is 2 in this case. Therefore, the place value of 2 is hundreds. Okay, yeah, so that's it we had in our lesson today. Okay, let's look at the last example and we see what's next. I have my number there, 5, 4, and 0. But what's the underlined digit? find the place value of the underlined digit. The underlined digit is 5. So we begin with 0, O to means ones, T to mean tens, then 2 to mean hundreds, and write H there. Okay, so we go on and give them. The first one is ones, the second one is tens. Okay, who can give me the last one? Write the answers in the chat. I'm seeing it coming. Okay, already someone has answered. Teacher, the place value of 5 is that. Okay, let me write it here and we spell it together. Hundreds, hundreds. Therefore, the place value of 5 is hundreds. Okay, I would like to end here, and I say thanks for attending the lesson. Please, I've designed an activity. It is a quiz activity on Google Classroom. It's on Google Classroom, and the code is there. You can put the Google Classroom app on your smartphone, on your tablet, or on your computer, and you log in using that code. It will direct you exactly where the activity goes. Okay, or you can find the Google Classroom link on in our description here on our YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe. Teacher Didas says bye bye. We meet in lesson number 2. I love you.